In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot your availability in Calendly. Welcome to our channel. Whether you're new to Calendly or a seasoned user, ensuring that your availability is correctly set up is crucial for scheduling success. Let's dive right into it and make sure your calendar reflects exactly what you intend. To begin, navigate to the scheduling section of Calendly by checking the left side of your dashboard. There, you'll find a series of icons. Look for and click on the link icon if you're not already in the scheduling section. This takes you directly to the heart of your calendar settings, where all your scheduling options reside. Once in the scheduling section, your next step is to identify which schedule you want to inspect or modify. Browse through your listed schedules and click on the one you wish to examine. Doing this will bring you to the availability section of that particular schedule, giving you a clear overview of your current settings. Here, you'll be able to view two main areas of availability information. First, you'll see the overall weekly hours you've designated as available. These are the default hours you're open to meetings, and it's important they reflect your true schedule. Beneath this, you can find the date-specific hours, which show any alterations made for particular days or occasions. This dual perspective allows you to maintain a comprehensive understanding of when you're available and when you're not. If you discover discrepancies or need to make changes to your general availability, simply click on the schedule you've selected. This action grants you access to edit your weekly hours. It's crucial to do this if your regular availability has shifted due to changes in your routine or commitments. Moreover, for any adjustments needed on specific dates, perhaps for holidays or planned time off, you'll find a pen icon located nearby. Clicking this icon opens up a more detailed editor where you can tailor your availability for special dates. This feature is excellent for managing those one-off events without altering your whole schedule. And, with that, you're all set. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your availability in Calendly aligns perfectly with your intentions and commitments. Remember, regular checks and updates to your availability are key to optimal scheduling and time management. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and guides to enhance your productivity. Until next time, happy scheduling.